Have you ever imagined what would the world be like if there was no stock market? A world without stock market might look pretty different. Things will be better in some ways and worse in others. If you think stock market affects only the businessmen and investors, I cannot emphasize enough how wrong you are, and here's why. The primary purpose of stock market is to help the business raise capital and provide an opportunity for investors to put their money in an idea they believe in. An idea, no matter how great it is, cannot grow into a business if enough capital is not put into it to scale it up. Without stock markets, raising capital will be a big problem. It will be harder for businesses to raise capital who will now have to go to banks or private investors to acquire the money they need. This will increase the cost of funding, which will increase the cost of manufacturing and will bring more inflation. Even if the issue of capital raising is solved, the whole process will take much longer and businesses will take more time to grow. Eventually, the economy will become slow and inefficient. With stock market, every individual can buy shares of a company which is listed on stock market and then sell it at higher price to make profits. Without stock market, private individuals will not be able to buy shares of any company, and even if a mechanism is developed, the whole process will take considerably more time. But what if you want to sell your shares when the prices drop? Who will you sell it to? How will you find a buyer of that stock? What if nobody wants to buy a share of that company and you are stuck with it for the rest of your life? Without stock markets, the overall economy might not be as strong, and many of the major corporations we know today would not even exist. This is a list of sovereign countries that do not have their own stock market. Check out their economy. Would you like the world's economy to be like that? In my opinion, world is a better place with stock markets doing what they do best. If you disagree, don't forget to give your opinion in the comment section.